Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting data and hardware. Back up your system image or key files, then power down and unplug the machine. Put on an anti-static strap because static can fry components. This is why you ground. Once done, remove the side panel and identify the M2 slot or 2. 5. Drive bay. Make sure you see the mounting standoff or SATA cable. Now position the SSD near the slot and get the mounting screw ready so you can move quickly to installation. You fit the drive carefully. For NVMe, slide the module into the M2 slot at a shallow angle, then press it down and secure with the tiny screw. This ensures electrical contact and proper alignment. For 2. 5. SATA drives, place the SSD in the tray, attach the SATA 6GB/S cable to the port, and plug in the SATA power connector. Make sure all connectors are fully seated and cables aren't strained, because loose connections cause intermittent detection problems later. You power on and enter UEFI/BIOS to confirm the new SSD appears. If you plan to install an OS, change the boot order now. Once the installer or your existing OS loads, initialize the disk, create partitions, and format to the desired file system, NTFS for Windows, ext4 for Linux, so the system can write files. After installation, restore your backup or clone. If the drive isn't detected, reset cables, switch ports, and update the BIOS or storage drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.